No!
Oh shit.
No!
Just walked in, find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have